Welcome to Steve Draws. I'm Steve van de Groot, a Dutch artist, and in this video I'm going to review this book, which is called the Disney Keepsakes. And it's got a lot of paraphernalia, little booklets and tickets, and a lot of special stuff you've never seen before. It's still available secondhand on Amazon or on eBay. So let's get started. The Disney Keepsakes is the second book in the series. Also comes in a slipcase, and it is written or compiled by Robert Tieman. This book doesn't have a CD, but it has some other great stuff. It's published by Disney Editions New York, and this one was published in 2005, and you still can get it secondhand on eBay or even on Amazon. They found more stuff in the Disney vaults. And this is the official bulletin of the Mickey Mouse Club, and you would get this bulletin when you had a membership of the Mickey Mouse Club. And this is a membership card of the Mickey Mouse Club, and this is from 1929. The only disadvantage is that they used oil-based glue, and then it starts to become yellow. And here's a nice little section for Minnie Mouse, and this is a Hallmark card of Minnie. You already can see that the glue that they used, it's yellowed down, and some of the glue just doesn't work anymore. And this is a stand for Mickey Mouse handkerchiefs. And then you could put a handkerchief in here. And it also has a comic strip. The comic strip would come with the handkerchiefs. And here's a little comic strip of the Silly Symphonies. And it was the introduction of Donald Duck. And here's the Silly Symphony called The Wise Little Hen. This is from 1939. Here you have a spinning wheel with an animation of Mickey Mouse, so that you could put on your turntable, on your record player, and just hold a mirror to it, and then Mickey Mouse would move. Here are some illustrations of some paintings of Donald Duck in famous paintings like Degas. And got some great pictures I've never seen in other books. And this is a bulletin for the Disney Studios with some news for the Disney artists. Some great art of Mickey Mouse and the band concert. And this was one of the first art of Mickey Mouse in the band concert, just before the animation short was released. And it got some great artwork with watercolors. And this is from Mickey Mouse Society Dog Show with Pluto. Here's a great page for Bambi, and it got a photographic nature studies by Maurice Day. And these are some pictures, reference pictures they took for the animation to use for the backgrounds. And it even has some preliminary artwork by Tyrus Wong. Here's a model sheet for Chip and Dale, and they were named after the furniture of Chip and Dale. There's some artwork for Music and Melody. There were movies with shorts put together, and here's even a flip book from 1946. And this is for Casey at the Bat. That was a short from Make My Music. Here's some great artwork for The Adventures of Ichabod Crane. And this is a fan card. The Disney Studios would send these fan cards to fans that would write to Walt Disney, and they would send a fan card like this. Here's some nice art for Alice in Wonderland. And this is a little book that they would send in 1969. It was a sort of a puzzle book. And some nice artwork by Mary Blair. And these are some handwritten story notes by Walt Disney for Peter Pan. And some sketches of Tinkerbell, some different approaches. And in the 50s they changed the style a little bit. To the Whistle, Plunk and Bloom got an Oscar. And here are some cards, and you can use the 3D glasses to, watch the cards. On camera it doesn't really work, but This one is by Donald Duck, and 3D animation or 3D movies were very popular at that time. So these are two Donald Duck comic strips, and you could just see them through these glasses and get a 3D effect. This is a blueprint of the Nautilus. With the top and side view. And the layout for the interior rooms. Here are some pictures of all the animals that were used, all trained animals that were used in Disney movies. And this is a card set from 1949. And it was designed by John Henge. It looks a little bit like Mary Blair, but it was done by John Henge. Here are some edits by Walt Disney for the proposed text for the Disneyland flag. And this is some art for Disneyland, for Disneyland USA. And these were movies that would be played in Cinerama. And some interesting art with puppets. It's for Noah's Ark. And here's Walt Disney's hand-drawn layout for the Nature Wonderland area, which opened in 1960. Some poster art for the Aristocats, and a picture of Disney when they wanted to build Walt Disney World. This picture was made in 1965. Well, this book doesn't have that many paraphernalia as the first book, so that's the Disney Treasures. but it's still a fun book with a lot of things I haven't seen yet. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, because each time I upload a new video, you get a notification. Drawing is fun, and practice makes perfect. See you next time. Doodles!